They refuse to go on combat mission.
So now I'll...
What rubbish are you talking?
Brigadier Hussain, calm down, Brigadier Hussain, calm down.
You love your voice.
In occupied Kashmir.
You love so much your voice, I think you can conduct this program single-handedly.
No, that is Brigadier Hussain.
Answer yourself.
Brigadier, that is Brigadier Hussain's voice.
See, when you are not prepared to hear our point of view.
GD Bakshi, should we play the tape? Should we play the tape? एक बार tape play कर ले.
I think.
Should we play the tape?
We need to play the tape.
Okay, so
because I think.
No. A 1 minute 20-second tape. No, should we play the tape? Should we play the tape? One second. Seshadri Chari, should we play the tape?
Certainly.
Should we play the tape? I just want one promise from our Pakistani guest that if in the tape, he okay. Yes, Seshadri Chari, should we play the tape?
Arnav, you can play the tape. There are enough people in India who understand Urdu. There are enough people in India who understand Punjabi. There are people in India who understand Musharraf.
And their ethos.
And there are enough number of people in the government today who have understood Pakistan.
Yeah.
We have given more than 65 years to Pakistan to behave. They have not behaved. I think Pakistan has lost its moral right to exist on the map of this world. I am telling you again, Arnav, there is a bunch of jokers from Pakistan cannot hold your show to ransom like this. I am sorry to say,
democratic country.
I think the time has come.
Should we play the tape? Let's play the tape.
Control this
man. The time has come for the world.
And yet you have the...
Brigadier Hussain, why are you getting worked up? Because I'm going to play the tape.
Get the world rid of terrorism.
The ban is...
You have to get rid of Pakistan.
You can say anything about Seshadri Chari and he can't say anything in turn. I'm going to play the tape, but I want a promise from you. No, I want a promise from our guests in Islamabad and Karachi. Watch it, Islamabad and Karachi जो हमारे एक मुझे promise कीजिए कि अगर इस tape में, if in this tape Musharraf has said, 1 second, I'm saying, Brigadier, listen to me. Brigadier, listen to me.
The language is that man.
Brigadier, you listen to me. This is Arnav here. Listen to me. First of all, listen to me. Yeah, 1 second. Brigadier, listen to me. If in this tape...
Complete bloody idiot.
Okay, listen to me, sir. Let's not call each other names. That doesn't make your argument stronger.
Talk about my country in these insulting terms.
Sir, your country is losing a grip on itself. It's unfortunate.
No.
It's unfortunate.
Sir, don't talk about your country, sir. Don't talk about your country. It is no longer a country. It is not just a country. Your country has been taken over by thugs and criminals long back. If you have any love for your country, please get rid of these thugs in your country first.
Prithviraj Chauhan, we sought you out as Ahmad Shah Abdali in 1761 in Third Battle of Panipat. Sorted out. Marhata. Try it.
So
that's how far back in history you have to go. In recent times, you've got a bloody nose in every battle.
You have fought a war in 65.
I tell you, today
you fought a war in 71. You have fought a war in 65. You lost a war in 71. You lost the Kargil war. You lost a big chunk of your land in Bangladesh.
Should we play the tape now?
If you want to lose your country further, go ahead.
1 second. No, I'm going to play the tape now, gentlemen. And I want a promise from our guests from Pakistan that when I play the tape and when the tape plays, it's a 1 minute 20-second tape. And when the tape plays, sun lijiye, why are you getting nervous, Mr. Kasuri? Because I'm going to play the tape. If I'm going to play the tape, you're feeling nervous?
You're so-called.
Should I play the tape?
Go ahead.
Should I play the tape to my guests in Pakistan? Okay, and especially, especially to Brigadier Javed Hussain, especially to him. Brigadier Hussain, I take a promise from you. You're an army man. I hope you're a man of your honor.
About the Indian army.
I hope you're a man of your honor. So I'm saying to you, Brigadier Hussain, sun lijiye meri baat. If in this tape, Musharraf is on record having said that people in Kashmir need to be incited, then two things. Then two things. Then I take a promise from you on two things. Then you will apologize on television. You will then apologize, and secondly, you will call Musharraf and say, why did you lie to me? You will call Musharraf now and say, why did you lie to me?
Stop interfering in Balochistan.
No,
If
now
you
I think I should play the
continue
tape. First of all, you pay
interfere in
attention.
Balochistan,
I have a rule.
Brigadier Hussain is sidetracking now.
Now he
He's
doesn't
running away
want-
from the issue.
No, he doesn't
Brigadier
want us to play the
Hussain,
tape.
don't sidetrack. You have become an apologist for Musharraf after you claim you've listened to him. Now hear the tape and see how ex-President Musharraf was a liar.
Should we play the tape
Yes.
now? Here's the tape and play it. I'm playing the tape.
He doesn't have the courage now to stand by what he has said because he knows he's made a huge faux pas.
And we are playing the tape now. Pay attention, otherwise you'll miss out. Here's the tape. 1 minute 20 seconds, especially the last part. Hear the last part where he talks about inciting people in Kashmir. Hear this. We play the tape and I hope I get an apology on the other side. I say apologize now, Brigadier. Apologize. Apologize. Apologize.
Why?
Incite करने की देर है.
उनको
अरे भाई,
incite करने की देर है.
Apologize. I say apologize. Apologize now.
understand Urdu.
I played the damn tape.
If you
I played the tape.
Rubbish.
Did he say rubbish?
Understood.
Rubbish. What did he say? उनको incite करने की देर है. Why did he say incite करने की देर है?
come with a one-track mind.
One track mind. I don't understand your language.
One-track mind. You
I
haven't
understand Urdu
understood.
better than you then.
You don't understand Urdu.
Why don't you apologize? Apologize on an Indian channel. Apologize to the people of India.
You don't know Urdu.
Go call up Musharraf now. Why did he say
You
incite
apologize
करने की
for
देर है?
distorting the
Why did he
interview.
say incite करने की देर?
What
Okay, one
rubbish
at
are
a
you
time. Don't
talking?
shout. Don't shout. First of all.
What rubbish?
Don't shout. What is rubbish?
You carry
I say
on
to
with
you.
this.
I say to you. Apologize to me now. Apologize.
Rubbish. Apologize. You apologize for distorting the interview. The man was
Incite
very
करने की
clearly
देर का
said
मतलब क्या है?
that if
इंसाइट करने की देर का मतलब कहने ने एक मिनट जरा उर्दू लेट मी नॉट कर्नल शफकत सईद से मैं उर्दू सीखता हूँ.
willing to go across.
अच्छा कर्नल शफकत सईद से मैं थोड़ा उर्दू सीखता हूँ. आप जरा समझाइए मुझे शफकत सईद जी.
उसने बोला है कि इंसाइट करने की देर है.
हाँ, उसका मतलब क्या है?
इंसाइट नहीं कर रहे हैं.
ओ इंसाइट करने की देर है मींस
देर है.
दैट्स सर ही इज द बिगेस्ट
का देर है. इंसाइटेड लोग हैं.
इंसाइट करने की देर है.
बात सुने.
इंसाइट करना है.
इंसाइट करने की देर है.
हमें सिर्फ इंसाइट करना है उनको.
आप तो सरासर एक्सपोज हो गया. आप तो आज सरासर एक्सपोज हो गए सर.
आगे पीछे दिस ऑल इज नॉनसेंस.
Nonsense. I played the tape. What's nonsense? I played the tape. I played the tape. And I want to know incite करने की देर है. लोग अगर yes, GD Bakshi. GD Bakshi now.
Javed, can I kindly?
Yes, GD Bakshi from Delhi.
Brigadier Javed, I would very humbly like to remind. Excuse me, Kasuri साहब एक मिनट मुझे दीजिए. Parvez Musharraf is an under trial in your country. He is under pressure. He has been trying to gain relevance in the highly altered context. And in the light of this, he has been making inflammatory statements.
Yeah.
He has been trying to address his former constituency in the Pakistan Army.
But he's revealed himself.
I would like to state, he was a former president, and
Yeah.
this kind of an admission on an open television channel
Yes.
has serious
What are
international
you talking,
ramifications.
General? Which admission?
I'm afraid he
Which
is
admission?
not
General
talking
Bakshi, I never
as
thought
There
you
was
would
no
always say the
admission.
same line.
No admission.
इंसाइट करने की
he
देर
cannot
है.
talk as a
Misunderstood.
private citizen.
Really? इंसाइट करने की देर है
अरे
ब्रिगेडियर
साहब,
हुसैन.
लाखों लोग उस तरफ से आएंगे.
इंसाइट करेंगे और लाखों लोग उस तरफ से आएंगे.
हम भी जानते हैं.
You see, no, one second. Look at the logic.
लाखों लोग उस तरफ से आएंगे.
Look at his logic. इंसाइट करने की देर है, फिर लाखों लोग उस तरफ से आएंगे. यानी कि हम अंदर इंसाइट करेंगे और फिर लाखों लोग इस तरफ से आएंगे. Look at this.
So simple.
और साहब
He has
देखिए,
revealed his
अगर
whole
कोई
Pakistani
और
strategy.
इंसान
People would
कहता,
fight on side of Indian Army.
बुरा तो
and
लगेगा
calling
आपको आज.
Pakistani people.
आज
They
बुरा
must
तो
be
लगेगा
what they
आपको.
assault, they must
जनाब,
fight
एक मिनट,
beside
एक
Pakistan
मिनट.
Army.
नहीं
And
शफकत
that's what
सईद
he
जी,
said.
आपको बुरा तो लगेगा कि एक इंडियन टीवी चैनल ने आपको इस तरह से एक्सपोज कर दिया, टेप प्ले कर दिया. आप जो कुछ बोल रहे थे सब कुछ आपका सारा आर्ग्यूमेंट टूट
आपने
गया.
अपने आप को एक्सपोज किया है.
इतना तो उर्दू हम भी
भाई,
समझ
आप
लेते
उर्दू
हैं.
सीख जाएं प्लीज.
Your
उर्दू को
hatred
समझ
for
लें.
Pakistan.
वो आपकी
No
आंखें
hatred,
खोल
आप pity.
रहा है, वो
Small-minded
आपको समझा
people.
रहा है कि जिस
Get
जगह पे
rid
आप
of this
चल रहे हैं,
obsession
आपका
with
नुकसान है.
Pakistan.
वो आपको समझा रहा है कि
Brigadier
ऐसा
Javed,
नहीं है कि आप आके खा जाएंगे, कुछ भी नहीं होगा.
Before you
वो
come
आपको
into a
बता रहा है कि
nutcracker
आप चुकन्ने
situation.
रहें,
and a two-front war.
नहीं है, ये सिर्फ आप ध्वंस से नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते हैं।
Arnab, you know,
आपको
it's
एक ही
time now, Arnab, if I may say so, it's really time now for us to stop talking about Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah.
It's part of India. It's a fact. 75%
No,
vote
it's not
out.
even
There's full-fledged democracy in India. The real question is what is happening in Pak-occupied Kashmir.
That's right.
We should now focus on what that whole iron veil that they have cast over Pak-occupied Kashmir. And what are they talking about Kashmir? They have already ceded the Trans-Karakoram tract in 1963 to China. Today, China has been invited into Gilgit-Baltistan. 7,000 to 11,000 Chinese troops are in Azad Kashmir and in Gilgit-Baltistan. So,
My God.
what is your commitment to the land of Kashmir or to its people? You massacre their people, you explore their natural resources, you colonize them by sending Pakhtuns over there and making the Shias a minority. What are you talking about? You have to answer what is happening in Pak-occupied Kashmir, not us in Jammu and Kashmir. This is a misconceived debate. The new narrative is the new Indian government is now going to say, give us back Pak-occupied Kashmir, vacate it.
No.
Vacate it because you are using it. You are using Muzaffarabad. You are using it to spawn terrorist activity in India.
Be wrong in his facts.
Withdraw.
Wrong in your
Withdraw. Honor the UN resolution and withdraw from Pak-occupied Kashmir.
No, one second. You know,
in India
Colonel Saeed, listen to me. Colonel Saeed, जरा मेरी बात सुन लीजिए 2 मिनट.
One and two, since 2004, Army of Pakistan has made sure that there is no cross-border movement. They have prevented this.
I'll tell you, sir.
It was one of
Sir,
the
you know a
tasks
man
to
called
prevent
Hussein
any cross-border
Haqqani.
movement.
No, one second. Seshadri Chari, I'm coming to you. One second. Just a minute. I want to make a point. जरा मेरी बात सुन
आप
लीजिए.
कितना कानी के पास जा रहे हैं कश्मीर
कर्नल साहिब जरा बात सुन लीजिए. मेरी बात तीखी हो सकती है मगर सच्ची है. जरा बात सुन लीजिए. जो सच्ची बात होती है तीखी भी होती है. 1 second. My question is very simple. No, 1 second.
Arnav,
Mr. Kasuri,
I would like to
Mr. Kasuri, when Hussein Haqqani, your then ambassador to America, revealed that the
He's a
Pakistan
traitor.
government, 1 minute, revealed that the Pakistan government
traitor.
sponsored terrorism, you called him a
Don't
traitor.
talk about him.
You called him a traitor.
He's a deserter.
You called him a
He's a
traitor.
traitor.
You called him a
He ran
traitor
away
because
from
Hussein Haqqani
Pakistan
spoke the
to avoid being
truth. Because your
prosecuted.
own person spoke the truth, you called him a traitor. Will you call Musharraf a traitor now?
Yes.
Will you call Musharraf a traitor?
Listen to me.
He's a traitor.
Will you call Musharraf a
The
traitor?
courts.
You call Musharraf a traitor for revealing your country's real strategy?
No.
Will you call Musharraf a traitor?
Listen to me, Pranab.
Will you, my name is
Listen to
Arnab,
me.
not Pranab. Will you call Musharraf a
Listen to
traitor?
me.
Will you call Musharraf
I
a
will
traitor,
call
Mr.
motivate
Kasuri?
No connection
terrorists.
between the two.
I'll
Well,
call-
there is. There is,
I'll
because
call
both of them
Pakistan.
have revealed in different ways how you
The whole
support
world
terrorists.
knows.
You still want India to talk to you? I say apologize first. Kasuri ji,
Nobody's keen to talk
apologize.
to you.
You apologize for distorting facts.
I played a
Get
tape.
your facts
I
wrong.
played a tape,
For
a
not
tape
being
on a
able to
Pakistani
understand
channel
Urdu.
interview. I say you should apologize. You should
now
call
listen to
Musharraf
me.
right now and ask him why he
Now listen to me.
told you the wrong facts.
You will run away. I tell you, if he were to come on the television, you will run away.
No, I asked him. You see, I'll tell you the last time that he was on my program.
Mr.
The
Dhanab.
last time that he was on my program, I asked him about
Whatever.
Kargil. He got so scared that he said, "You ask one more question on Kargil and I'll run away." You go and ask Musharraf whether he did that. Okay, Musharraf was on my program. I asked him about Kargil. He got so scared that he said, "You ask me one more question on Kargil and I'll run away." So the person who wanted to run away from this program was a man called Parvez Musharraf, who did not have the guts to answer questions on Kargil when I asked him the questions. Okay, so that's a fact. Go and play the tape. Now, anyway, my question is, I expected an apology.
Arnab, can I please come in?
I expected an apology from our Pakistani guest tonight.
Arnab,
Arnav,
Musharraf,
Seshadri Chari.
tape चलाएं।
Arnab,
क्या मैं बात करूंगा?
no.
Seshadri Chari.
Arnab, may I remind
Arnab,
my Pakistani...
Seshadri Chari.
One minute.
Mahesh,
May I
Seshadri Chari,
remind
GD Bakshi,
my
after Seshadri
Pakistani
Chari.
guest?
General Bakshi sir, a kind request,
Okay.
a humble request to your kind self.
Okay.
अर्नाब को टेप चलाने दें परवेज मुशर्रफ की जिसमें उसके बीच में भागने का इरादा किया है।
उनको मैं आपको वो भी टेप पे प्ले कर दूंगा। मैं आपको टेप प्ले कर दूंगा जहां पे वो जो कारगिल पे क्वेश्चन पूछा था, कहते हैं और एक क्वेश्चन पूछे तो मैं चला जाऊंगा इंटरव्यू से। उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको हम कहते हैं हिंदी में, उर्दू में मुझे पता नहीं, हिंदी में उसको क्या कहते हैं पता नहीं। हिंदी में उसको कायरता कहते हैं, कायरता, कावर्डिस, कायरता हिंदी शब्द है। उन लोगों को हम कायर कहते हैं जिनको सवाल पूछा जाता है और भागने की वो कहते हैं और एक सवाल आप करेंगे कारगिल के तो मैं चला जाऊंगा, उन लोगों को हम कायर कहते हैं। कायर उर्दू में व्हाट डू यू कॉल अ कावर्ड इन उर्दू? हम हिंदी में कायर कहते हैं, कायर,
बुज़दिल।
हाँ बुज़दिल कहते हैं। तो हम कहते हैं कि मुशर्रफ को पूछा हमने सवाल कारगिल पे तो कहा और एक सवाल करेंगे तो मैं चला जाऊंगा, ऐसे लोग तो बुज़दिल होते हैं।
प्लीज टेप चला देना, आई वांट टू सी हिम बिकॉज़ आई हैव नेवर सीन हिम
प्ले कर देंगे, मगर आपको
आई वुड लव टू सी हिम।
यस, यू गो एंड आस्क मुशर्रफ, यू आस्क मुशर्रफ, आई विल प्ले यू द एग्जैक्ट क्लिप।
नो,
आई विल प्ले यू द एग्जैक्ट
क्लिप। Play the tape, why should I ask him?
I'll play you the exact clip. Okay, Seshadri Chari wants to say something. Seshadri, आज तो आप पूरी तरह से आपको मुशर्रफ ने एक्सपोज कर दिया।
Arnav, I think what you are doing, Arnav, we are actually, what is happening is you have exposed the Pakistani side today totally. I think the Pakistani side has absolutely no logical reason to be on the show anymore. The most important thing, I'm telling you, Arnav, these people are not fit to be brought on your show for discussion. They are wasting our time. Let me tell you, Arnav, what Mahesh has said is an important point. Mahesh Jethmalani has made an important point. Let me tell you, Pakistan state, Pakistan is a failed state. Pakistan is a failed state. People in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. People in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. People in Baluchistan.
No.
People in Sindh are suffering.
I tell you.
People in Sindh are suffering. People in Baluchistan are suffering.
I think
just as we liberated Bangladesh.
No.
We have to liberate these people also.
One second.
Arnav,
Mr. Chari.
We have to liberate these people.
No, Mr. Chari.
We have to liberate these people. And we will have to liberate Pakistan from the clutches of these
मैं तो ये कहता हूँ कि ये जो टेप है, this tape of Musharraf should be played all over Kashmir so that the people of Kashmir understand how this Pakistani ex-dictator, Pakistani mind, Pakistani strategy, people of Kashmir should accept. Omar Abdullah is the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. I often disagree with him. I think that he is not a good person in governance, but even he has asked a question. Unka tweet hai, Omar Abdullah ka, he says, so Parvez Musharraf believes Kashmir needs to be incited at regular intervals. What happened to this being an indigenous struggle for Azadi? So what happened? आप तो कह रहे थे ये इंडिजिनस स्ट्रगल है फॉर आजादी, आपको तो मुशर्रफ ने सरेआम एक्सपोज कर दिया।
Arnab, just a moment.
सरेआम एक्सपोज कर दिया आपको मुशर्रफ।
You know, we should have a trade pact. We should have a trade pact with the Pakistanis. You take the Hurriyat and give us Pak-occupied Kashmir. You take the Hurriyat, give us Pak-occupied Kashmir.
Hold the referendum. About Hurriyat and other.
That should be the trade pact.
I just want to say one thing.
Exact part.
99% will not count. I want to say one thing.
Arnab.
No. One second. I want to tell you. I want to also show. I also want to show what happened when I asked Musharraf on Kashmir. No, 1 second. Musharraf को हमने कारगिल पे पूछा। नहीं, शफकत सईद अब ये भी टेप देख ले। आज एक्सपोज हो रहे तो सरे आप सब कुछ दिखा देते। आपको अब मुशर्रफ का दूसरा टेप दिखाते जब हमने कारगिल पे उनको सवाल पूछा। देखिए कैसे वो कहते हैं और एक सवाल पूछेंगे तो मैं चला जाऊंगा। देखिए।
This interview is not on Kargil. If you want to talk on Kargil, I want to talk of East Pakistan first. What your army?
Sir, I have one question on to settle the Kargil issue.
And how Indira Gandhi promoted Manik Shah as field marshal, and how she said that her greatest achievement is to disprove the two-nation theory. I'm going to start from there. So stop discussing Kargil.
General Musharraf,
we are going to discuss that. Then we come to Siachen.
No, one question on Kargil.
No more questions on Kargil.
One question on Kargil.
Pakistan. We talk of East Pakistan.
Can I have one question on Kargil?
Otherwise, cut it out.
One question? Will you allow me?
No, nothing more. We've discussed enough. No, I don't answer any question on Kargil.
देख लिया, no question. You saw that, Colonel? Up, satisfied? आपने कहा टेप प्ले कीजिए, ये भी प्ले कर दिया।
आप तो
इसको तो हम बुज़दिली कहते हैं।
वो कह रहा था कि मैं चला जाऊंगा। He is standing in front of you, talking to you like a lion.
Lion.
I tell you, sir.
That's the Pakistani definition of lies.
आप तड़का लगाते हैं,
There must be a
लगाते हैं,
Pakistani lie.
मिक्स करते हैं.
I don't- हमने तो दो tape play कर दिया आज आपको.
You said something wrong.
I played two tapes.
नहीं, अर्नब आपने
He says, cut it out. I will not answer a question on
आपने
Kargil.
कहा था कि he said I'll run away, I'll go away. No, he's not.
He says,
He's
cut
sitting
it out.
in
What do you
front of
translate this as?
Again,
5
you
times
have
you
gone
ask him
wrong.
on. Anyway, see, I'll
No,
tell you,
he
sir.
talked to you.
Run
he
away
said,
from the
this
rubbish
program is
that
not
you
on
were
Kargil.
throwing
I
at
talked to you about
Brigadier,
Kargil. If you
Brigadier,
talk about-
Brigadier, I have a suggestion.
I want to make.
अच्छा अर्नब एक मिनट मैं जो बात आपको बताना चाह रहा था वो ये है कि if subcontinent is having peace the beneficiary is India because
अरे साहब कर्नल साहब एक मिनट
people
एक मिनट
or if there is no peace in subcontinent.
सर आज थ्रेटन मत कीजिए आज और थ्रेटन मत कीजिए आज और थ्रेटन मत कीजिए आज आपको मुशर्रफ ने टोटली एक्सपोज कर दिया
मैं आपको वही बात बता रहा हूं जो परवेज मुशर्रफ साहब ने बताने
सर आपको तो मुशर्रफ ने फिक्स कर दिया
कि प्लीज डोंट बी बेलेगरेंट
मुशर्रफ ने फिक्स कर दिया आज पाकिस्तानी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट को अब कैसे आप लोगों के सामने जाएंगे आप कैसे यूएन में जाएंगे आप कहां पे जाएंगे क्या कहेंगे कौन आपको विश्वास
एक मिनट कर्नल साहब जरा एक मिनट हमारी भी सुन लीजिए
सर
That is what you want to
एक
believe.
मिनट अच्छा
Go ahead. If that is going to make you happy, go ahead.
Arnab, I want
But
to
think
remind my
Don't
Pakistani
expose your
guests
small mind.
Sir, you think about it. You have no
Musharraf
logical
is on
standing.
trial. General Musharraf is on trial, not in India,
Yeah.
but in Pakistan.
Oh yes.
He is on trial not in India, but in Pakistan
Oh, yeah.
for the crimes that he has committed in terms of dragging his country to a pointless war which only brought embarrassment. You have put him on trial.
you see what
We have
Musharraf-
not put him on trial.
You see what Musharraf
He
is.
is a
Yeah,
former
no, I just want to say
president.
one. No.
And
Kargil
what
war,
he says,
he is
and
on
what
I
he
only
says
want to say one thing,
cannot be
and
taken lightly.
I am saying one thing
The
sincerely.
trial is politically
And
motivated.
I am saying,
Understand.
Brigadier, I understand this, but you know
But
what?
he's been indicted by a Pakistani
Politically
court.
I've seen
Right.
those.
How can it be political?
Brigadier,
And
please,
he's going
please.
A Pakistani court has indicted him for treason for the
Brigadier.
murder of Benazir Bhutto and the murder of Akbar Bukti. What are you talking about political? Your judiciary has indicted him.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You have no respect for your own judiciary.
So Brigadier,
Akbar Mufti had rebelled against the state.
Brigadier,
And he murdered him.
why he was
And he
taken
murdered him
out.
in cold blood.
Brigadier, you should.
And he
you-
has stopped.
Brigadier,
And he has stopped going to
Trumped
court
up charges
also.
Now.
have been leveled against him.
One,
And as a special
all
forces
are
soldier,
false
he
and
never
top
comes under
cases.
pressure. He's
If I
fighting them.
understand
He's fighting
correctly,
back.
Brigadier Saab, he is
Nawaz
facing
Sharif,
the charge
who was
of
ousted
treason.
from the government on the 12th October.
So now
1999.
and
So these cases have gone
I'm saying this. I want to speak. I want to say something
Why
to all
are
the
you
viewers
digressing?
in India and 46 countries around the world where this news hour broadcast is going. I'm saying to you tonight, especially to all the people of Kashmir, to the people of Kashmir, understand this. What Musharraf has said today is that he has admitted that we want to systematically incite one Kashmiri against another, one Indian against another. An admission by a former dictator of Pakistan that this so-called, what they call is a self-determination struggle is nothing but a Pakistani engineered unrest. And I say this, the only response to this is for the people of Jammu and Kashmir to go and vote in bigger numbers in the next elections so that that person called Musharraf learns a lesson.
Bigger numbers.
And I think for the people,
the referendum.
and I think what Musharraf has said today is that he has admitted that Pakistan wants to send hundreds of thousands of people to India to kill and terrorize.
Nobody believes this.
The only answer is through the ballot. In a democratic country, we respond through the ballot.
Arnav Goswami, Arnav, there is one more answer.
Recognize it.
Yes.
Arnav, there is
Yes,
one
Mr.
more
Chari.
answer to all this.
Yes, Mr. Chari.
And the only answer is, न रहे बांस न बजे बांसुरी, न रहे बांस न बजे बांसुरी. No Pakistan, no problems for India, and
you-
no problems for the world.
You would not dare to incite one Indian
Try
against
it.
another.
Try karo.
Well, I'd say this. Now,
Try
anyway, you exposed your
Try
proxy
it.
war
Try
against
for
India.
India.
I thank you,
Try it.
gentlemen. And by the way, I played 2 tapes today, and tapes don't lie.
Egg your military.
Tapes don't lie.
Come on. Tell Mr.
तुमको भी ले
Vikram Singh
डूबेंगे।
whatever
Tapes
his name
don't
is.
lie.
तो डूबे हैं सुनब, तुमको भी ले
आप
डूबेंगे।
डूबे जरूर,
They will
किसी
not
को लेके
lie.
डूबने की
They will
जरूरत
not
नहीं
lie.
है.
Launch the cold start.
हमें तो बुरा लगता है पाकिस्तान के लोगों के लिए जो इस तरह के लीडर्स उनको मिले हैं।
ना बजेगी बांस ना बांस।
चलिए, I thank you very much. I played 2 tapes. I think the Musharraf and the Pakistani point of view is completely exposed. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.